This is my bike. This is covered in dust and general crap. Well, actually mostly just dust. It looks really quite bad, but I'll show you why. There is two parts of the garage. There's the part I'm stood in that's got all the bike stuff in it. Then there's this doorway which really needs some sort of curtain, because in here we do laser engraving and cutting in that thing, and painting, which despite having a spray booth still goes everywhere. But between producing the stuff in the X-Tool laser and painting it, we also have to sand it, which means that very fine particles of sawdust go absolutely everywhere, including on the bikes. So mine has had a wash recently. Not as bad as Amy's bike, which is, yeah, needs a bit of a clean. I don't always want to take the bike out of the garage and get the hose out and everything and give it a proper clean. Sometimes I just want to give it a wipe over. So I've seen this Muc-Off Waterless Wash, and I thought, I wonder if that will work. I mean, if it does, it's a fairly expensive way of washing your bike, but if you just want to give it a wipe down from this dust stuff, then maybe it'll be decent. So I just thought, give that a try. Let me just put you down somewhere you might be able to see. We're going to clean the tank, so I shall leave you there. Now, first thing it says, shake vigorously. I think that's probably vigorously enough. Then push that down and twist. Okay, so just going to clean the tank and the clocks for now. So it says to leave it for a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to give this a wipe down now. Let's see how that looks. Oh, what is the smell? Raspberry? Does this really smell of raspberry? I need somebody with a better sense of smell than me, but yeah, this smells like raspberry. I hope it smells like raspberry, because otherwise I'm probably having a stroke. I can tell you that it is looking very nice and shiny, but also it seems to have a film. It's not like a polish that's easily coming off. Finish that off with a dry cloth and see how it comes out. Okay, that is now that is now 100% lovely again. Well, it's 100% lovely again on the tank. It's got a nice shine back to it. I need some brushes and stuff to get in to some of the mank in the edges. There's the clock. That was manky as well, and now it's clean. That's actually Very cool. Of course, I need to do the rest of the bike as well, but I just wanted to try that so that there is an easier way to do this. Thanks for watching.